Hi, I'm Nima Motamedi. I am a physician at the Oregon Clinic, GI South. I think I've kind of always had an inkling that I wanted to be a doctor growing up. I think my mom came home with some heart condition one time, and then that kind of got me interested in the field and got me to do some volunteering. So I'm a big believer in shared decision making, and I think that different people have different values, and I want to kind of empower my patients to help them take charge in making the decision to best suit their ideals. When I first went into medicine, I thought I was going to be a surgeon, and I liked certain aspects of it, but I kind of felt like once they were done with the case, they kind of let things go. But that's what kind of made me gravitate more towards medicine, but then within medicine I want to do something with my hands, and so GI kind of marries the two pretty well, which is nice. I've always liked playing video games, and one thing I really like is getting my hands on and doing procedures, so I think that it's a nice way to kind of tie that in. Yeah, the Nintendo paid off a little bit. Part of the reason I went into GI is because you get kind of a nice breadth of experience. You build some long-term relationships with patients, and then you also get to take care of some acute problems like GI bleeding or getting somebody to transplant. And I think it can be very rewarding to see somebody kind of watch them go through the process and kind of get them to where they need to be and see them get healthy again. When I'm not at work, I like to watch basketball games and watch the Blazers. I'm a huge fan. I also like to play basketball and get involved with other sports. So I go skiing and snowboarding in the winter, and during the summer I've started to try to kayak with my baby boy and my wife. So.